Talofa lava. I just wanted to show you the teacher functionality in Educa. So if I go into Ben's portfolio, and as a teacher, if I create a post, when I scroll down after collecting all of the observations, you can see I can link to the frameworks, of which we've got some standard ones uploaded, but you can also send through frameworks you would like added. And when I go down here as a teacher, I need to submit for approval. So it means then when I do that, it'll go through to one of my senior teachers who can review my story and send it back to me with some notes on what I need to work on, or they can release it. The comments section allows you to have conversations with your reviewer, and also when you come in here, you can also see that those approval comments from your reviewer also sits under your own private teacher portfolio. So you've got that sequence of feedback held in your portfolio as well. Now, if you've got any teachers who would like to keep their professional development notes in Educa, they can do so under the portfolio section. So you can see here, this particular teacher went on a course, they collected their notes, they analysed what learning and how they were going to apply it to their centre, and then they sent it through. And in this case, if I was a beginning teacher, I could send this post from my teacher portfolio through to my mentor. They could then review and feedback, and that feedback then sits in my portfolio. Now, part of the compliance is things like your professional growth cycle, or perhaps you've got an inquiry that's ongoing at the Amata. So if you go into my forms, you can see here I've got a number of different forms that are up and running, and these, if I fill them out, this allows me as a teacher to collect all of my professional growth cycle notes, whether it's inquiry, whether it's just the perhaps an observation or conversations. So what Educa does is it allows teachers to centralise all of that information into one spot. So you've got your children's learning, but then also you've got your teacher best practice and looking after that professional development of your teaching team. When I scroll, I just wanted to show you here, one of the things in terms of trying to keep all of this information that's relevant in the one spot is once you've got your questions written or your form designed in terms of your PGC, you can then add evidence. And you can see that if there was a Educa learning story that you'd written on a tamariki, you could actually grab that and drop that into this part of your teacher portfolio that is talking about your own professional development. So everything crosses over and interweaves back. All of these documentations that I'm in here now, you're able to send through your templates, and we can upload your template. So all of these are able to be completely customized, and that also then allows for that customization, also allows for the Samoan language to be used rather than everything in English. Okay, come back if you've got any questions. Thank you.